Nakamtaki video hakeleng ka pertai. Subscribe yu Pyllait Naphang. But like share ya ki video jong kaneka channel. Hato ïashrut Maduh Prestone batu trom. Sngewsih Maduh Prestone bakeno sniew ka Amerika. Namar bakeno sniew kari Amerika ya ka jela Meghalaya. Baka Meghalaya ka deka jaka ka bomlong banle. Kumta pen phaini Maduh Prestone. Ubadai ru udipti chief minister jong ka jela Meghalaya. Percaya ke Amerika lane ke United States. Maduh Prestone ulah Sngewsih jur ya kajeng kena sniew kari Amerika. Ya ka jelam Meghalaya. Maduh Prestone ulah ong baka jelam Meghalaya. Kadai ka jaka ka basingan bha. Ya kanela sakhi de tangki pajba na Meghalaya. Nrai barok kawi kari India. Bad barok si telup ka perthai.
It is very unfortunate that kind of advisories issued by the government of United States of America. I don't know from where this report came in and from where did they get this report. I think it is very, very unfortunate. But let me clarify. As far as Meghalaya is concerned, let me tell you one thing, that Meghalaya is the safest place, and this is being witnessed not only by us from Meghalaya, but throughout India, not only throughout India, even throughout the world. They witness this, that Meghalaya is in fact the safest place to come and to visit and to spend their holidays.